Magninegosyo nga sana eh.
Uy,
Para,
anong negosyo yan?
Gusto nga, bossing, umpisahan ko yung sa soap.
Drugstore.
Hindi. Sabon.
Sabon, gawa ng laundry soap, daw niya.
Yung mga sabon, pan-laundry.
Pero kapag sinimulan mo yun, magdadrive ka pa din. O hindi na?
Siguro hindi na, kasi papagod na rin ako eh.
Pero alam ng mga amo mo yan kung sakasakaling nagplaplano ka.
Wala namang problema.
Yeah!
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, it's
Alright.
There's no problem.
it's no problem.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No worries,
Okay, because
no
of that, I will give this to you. You know this one? A pink wallet.
Pink wallet. What's that?
You know what's
It's,
inside of it?
It's a puhunan ni Marian.
Number 4.
Number 4.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wala.
Baril na, hindi nagulat sa baril. Sigaw pa.
Sinalubong.
Wala.
Thank you, thank you. Salamat po marami. Marami po salamat.
Congratulations.
Yeah. Thank
Eh,
you.
pare.
Thank you.
Yeah.
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 Congratulations.
So what your plan?
Yeah.
To have my own business.
You have your own business. How about your love life?
Your love life?
Yeah.
Wala na yun. Mami ko na lang muna.
Are we going to give it to your mom?
Yeah.
All right. That's nice. That's
So
good.
po.
Yeah.
Pero ano ha, yun nangyari sa'yo. Thanks God, it's Monday, right?
Wow.
Yeah, and tomorrow? It's
Tuesday.
Lumalabas yung tama. Walang bumaparil ka. May tama eh.
Oh, yeah!
Ayun na.
Ate ka ko, pare!
Bawal yun.
Pero
Mahina.
mag-ingat kayo. Mag-ingat sa lalo yung mga addict. Nako!
Salamat.
Lagi isara ang gate ng bahay.
Correct.
Oh,
At,
tama. You always take care, huh? Yeah.
Yun. Oo nga!
Ang galing mo mag-English.
Yeah, oo nga.
Beautiful, Marian.
Oh,
Oh.
thank you so much.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Ay! Pakis daw, bossing! Pakis! Pwede ba, bossing?
Later, later.
Kikis daw siya kay Marian.
Later we'll kiss.
Later.
Later we'll kiss.
You kiss Paolo later.